In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export OneDrive files. By the end, you'll know how to quickly download a copy of your files or folders from OneDrive to your computer so you can use them offline or move them elsewhere. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. You'll land on a page that introduces OneDrive and gives you access to your files. Click the Sign In button. Sign in with your Microsoft account to continue. Make sure you're using the account that actually holds the files you want, especially if you have both personal and work or school accounts. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Find and open My Files. This is your main library where all your folders and documents live. If you don't see what you need right away, try using the search bar at the top or sort your files by name, date, or size to bring the right items into view more quickly. Scroll through My Files to locate the file or folder you want to export. If you're exporting more than one item, you can select multiple files by holding Ctrl or Command while clicking, or select Arrange with Shift. Keep in mind that when you download a folder or multiple items at once, OneDrive will package them into a single zip file to make the transfer smoother. When you've selected the item, right-click on it to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Download. You can also use the download option in the top toolbar if you prefer, but right-click is often the fastest. Your browser may ask where to save the file, or it may save it automatically to your Downloads folder. If you're downloading a folder or multiple files, watch for a zip file. You'll need to extract it after it arrives. If you see a prompt or a small banner asking to confirm, click Download to proceed and allow the browser to start saving the file. Let the download complete before you close the tab. If nothing seems to happen, check your browser's download tray, allow downloads for the site if prompted, or disable any pop-up blockers just for this action. Large files can take time, so a stable internet connection helps. On managed work or school accounts, administrators may restrict some downloads. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder to find your file. If it's a zip, extract it to access the contents. That's it. Your original stays safe in OneDrive, and you now have a local copy you can use anywhere.